District Road Safety Committee, it was decided to do a review of the last inspection which was done in KTC bus stand in 2018, 13th of November. At that time, there were some 14 departments. So today we have concentrated on 10 departments, and the purpose is to look at what are the road safety issues inside and outside the bus stand. As you know, this bus stand inside is the property is owned by Transport Department. It is managed by KTC. Outside it is CCP. On this side there is GSIDC, Atal Setu projects are coming up. Imagine Panjim Smart City. So all agencies were called today, and we have looked extensively at the bus stand today. What are the difficulties? What are the issues? What are the suggestions? Outside also we will now look briefly at the roundabout which is there in front of the bus stand. The idea is by 15 August we will try to collate all the recommendations, suggestions at the same time. Today some work has already started of removing certain obstacles, obstructions, but by 15 August we will look at the inputs from traffic police, we will look at the inputs from PWD, look at the inputs from CCP, and come to a consensus of what needs to be done short term, what needs to be done long term. As you know, after the deaths of the pedestrians have taken place in 2018 in the bus stand, it became clear that safety of the bus stand is not 100%, the roofing material is not okay, so many things are there, and encroachments have taken place, etc. All this is affecting public safety in general and road safety. And therefore, we are also pleased that we have the fire safety officials here today, so that their movement of fire safety, fire engines, how they will move, etc., all that will be demarcated. So we are expecting a draft report latest by 15 August. See, now this entire follow-up is being done by a monitoring cell. The monitoring cell is chaired by the Device P Traffic North. Member Secretary is Transport Enforcement Assistant Director, and we are the members. So we will be doing our draft report and submitting to the committee, which is chaired by Honorable Member of Parliament, Mr. Shripad Naik. So we are hopeful that by 15 August, we will have something ready to submit to the committee.
What are some major issues in that?
As I said, the major issues are for the movement, free movement of the pedestrians, passengers, senior citizens, and persons with disabilities. So this is our focus. So we are looking first for the small changes which have less financial outlay. Then we will look at a wider thing. We also have the Director of Health Services representative here. We are looking at some good spots for display of IEC material. See, as you know, the bus stand is used by the people. They need to know what are the helplines. There are different helplines. There are different issues, vector-borne, so many things. So, if we keep open spaces where no proper signage is there, then there is dumping, pan spitting, all things are going on. So today we have, you yourselves from the media have seen, and I must thank you for time and time again highlighting the issues. In fact, through the media highlighting, we were able to bring before the Road Safety Committee what are the issues. You know, we have collated all of them, and that's how we were able to fix this inspection today.
Okay. For implementation, is there any better coordination among the departments?
Yeah, so the coordination is being, as I said, will be done by the monitoring cell. Okay, so the minutes will be prepared. In fact, today's entire earlier Kuaken had taken the initiative in 2018. Now the initiative is taken by the monitoring cell. So member secretary has sent the letters, chairperson has given the clearance. So things are moving, and I think that is what the Supreme Court Road Safety Committee had in mind. It is very clearly saying that they want finally better coordination by all departments. As you know, Kadambak cannot handle this thing on its own. It's a corporation. It has its own financial difficulties. But with all other agencies tying up with them, we can see a quantum leap of change. Yeah? Thank you so much. Thank you.
अभी पागा
सर आयज इन्स्पेक्शन जालें फूल बस स्टँडाचें इन्क्लुडींग ऑल अदर डिपार्टमेंट. सो कितें पळयलें तुमी आयज आनी कितें कितें
आमचो बस स्टँड जो आसा तो अरावंड 36,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर एरियेचो आसा आणि हांगा डेली अरावंड 1.5 lakh फुटफॉल्स आसता. कोविडाक लागून आतां इट इज रेड्यूस टू 50%. पूण 1.5 लाख तरी पॅसेंजर हांगा खंयच्या ना खंयच्या तरी कामाक लागून पॅसेंजर बस स्टँडाचेर येत आसता. अरावंड 2,400 डिपार्चर्स ऑफ बसीस आसा, सिटी बसीस एज वेल एज कदंबा अँड इंटरस्टेट बसीस हे आसा. तरी आमी इंटरस्टेटच्यो ज्यो प्रायवेट बसीस आसा तांच्या खातीर सरकारान दुसऱ्या सायडीन हें केल्लो आसा, लागो दिल्लो आसा. पूण ह्या इतल्या फुटफॉलांत आणि वी हॅव अरावंड 160 शॉप्स ऑन दीस बस स्टँड. 160 शॉपां आसा. सो आणि दुसरें हें पॉप्युलेशन जें आसा ताका 36,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर एरिया इज व्हेरी लेस एरिया. तरी पूण आमी कशें तरी मॅनेज करता. लास्ट 15 वर्सां भितर पर्सनल ट्रान्सपोर्ट जो आसा तो खूब वाडलेलो आसा, लायक कार्स एंड स्कुटर. ताका लागून ही सगळ्यांत मोठी पार्किंगाची समस्या हांगा आसा. पार्किंग एरिया ना. सो पार्किंग आणि इट इज अ लॉन्जिट्युडनल दिस, इट इज नॉट ऑल्सो स्क्वेअर. सो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू कंट्रोल. म्हणजे मातसो कंट्रोलिंगाक लागून हें जाता. तरी पूण थ्रू गोवा कॅन आणि अदर गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट CCP स्मार्ट सिटी, आतां स्मार्ट सिटीन अरावंड 36 CCTV कॅमेराज घातलेले आसा. दे वील बी एक्झिक्युटेड फ्रॉम सप्टेंबर ऑनवर्ड्स. तांचें काम आतां कंप्लीट जाल्लें आसा. आणि आमी CCP कडेन आतां रिक्वेस्ट केला की हें क्लिनींग पळय जें आसा बस स्टँडाचें तें तुमच्या लेवलार, कारण शॉपां जें आसा ट्रेड लायसन्स आर इशूड बाय देम. सो क्लिनींग आनी हें तें ताका लागून त्यांनी ते आमचे हे घातल्या इन्सिनरेटर 3 बसयल्ले आसा. अरावंड इथेनॉल इज टेकन फ्रॉम दॅट ऑर अमोनिया दॅट कॅन बी यूज फॉर कुकिंग. म्हणून एक आमी तो त्या सायडीन EDC कॉम्प्लेक्साच्या सायडीन 100 kg तो बसयला. देन देर इज वन मोर हियर एट 250 kg एट द मिडल. आणि कामत कॅन्टीन जे पयलीं आशिल्लें ताजे सकयल एक 50 kg तो आसता. सो वॉट एवर वेस्ट जे वेस्ट आसा न्ही ताजे पासून ते हें डेवलप करपाचो प्रोजेक्ट चालू आसा. आतां आयज ट्रिमिंग दीस ऑल द ट्रीज सो दॅट द बस स्टँड इज विजिबल. सो अशी थोडी हेल्पिंग हँड जर आमकां मेळत जाल्यार बस स्टँड हें जावंक शकता. पयलीं आमकां एडवर्टायजिंगाचेर थोडोसो रेवेन्यू जाता बिकॉज ऑफ दीस अटल सेतू नाव. एडवर्टायझींग एजन्सी आसा त्यो कमी जाली येवपाक, कारण ते म्हणटा इट इज ब्लॉक बाय अटल सेतू. सो दॅट रेवेन्यू इज रिड्यूस ड्रास्टिकली. आणि सेकंडली दीस ऑल रिक्वायर्स too much of manpower. So CCTV CCP is having that. So we requested, we are writing letter to them today also, that and they have agreed that our commissioner said that we will give maximum help. As our chairman Carlos Arjeta, around 4 days back he had a meeting with commissioner and GSIDC, and there also he requested them that to give some help for keeping this bus stand clean and all. So it will be done, I think.
ओके सर, आम्ही जातात फिरताना सगळ्याकडे बस स्टँडार फिरताना खूप जणांनी बी मदींच पार्किंग केल्या बसीच्या हेतू रस्त्यान. तुम्ही पळयतात
बसी ज्यो आसा अरावंड 8 to 10 बसीस आसा ह्यो लायव्ह बसी आसा, म्हणजे चलता त्यो. कोविडाक लागून तांचें ऑपरेशन बंद आसा. सो वी हॅव रेफ्यूज देम, बट ते रिक्वेस्टेड की आमच्यो बसी मातश्यो आमी हांगा दवरता. पूण ते हॅबेझॅट पार्किंग आसा ताका लागून आमी तांकां नोटीस धाडटले. देट ऑर वी विल गो दॅट एंड वी विल सेंड इट टू ऑल स्क्वेअर यार्ड. And motorcycles and all, we are cleaning it by 15th of August. Everything will be.
एक इश्यू तेंच्यांनी काडला, प्रॉपर मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ स्पेस जायना बस स्टँडार, म्हणून आमची स्पेस कन्स्ट्रेंट जाता. ऑक्युपेशन ऑफ स्पेस जायना तेजेर कितें
Actually, this is if you see, it is over occupied. Okay. Because what happened in we have small depot here of around 60 schedules. So bus stand is not for the depot, but that time during 88 we had started one small depot because of collapse of this Mandeviti. आणि तो डेपो मागीर आमकां दवरचो पडलो, बिकॉज इफ यू शिफ्ट ऑल दीस 60 शेड्यूल देन इट कम्स टू अरावंड 800 to 900 डेड किलोमिटर्स वता हांगाच्यान परवरे आनी येवपाक. सो ऑपरेशनल जी हे आसा वायबिलिटी ऑफ द व्हेकल ती मेळना. ताका लागून आमकां तो कसो तरी हांगा चालू दवरचो पडलो. बट नाव वी आर थिंकींग ऑफ गोईंग फॉर EV बसीस. This bus stand will be for EV buses. By December, we are bringing 100 EV buses. central government gives the fund. That process is going on. We have done tendering. So then I think that will be done, and all these diesel vehicles will shift to Parwari depot.
सर ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रीक व्हेकल्स बसीस जे हाडलेले आसा ते सारके ऑपरेशनलान दिसनात.
इलेक्ट्रिकल बसीस ज्यो आसा फ्रॉम मेच्यान आमी त्यो बंद दवरल्या बिकॉज ऑफ कोवीड. AC बसीस आसा काय ना. मॅक्झिमम पीपल आर हेजिटेड टू ट्रॅव्हल बाय AC बसीस. सो आनी त्यो सगळ्यो कंपल्सरी AC. यू कॅनॉट मेक देम नॉन AC बिकॉज EV बसीस ह्यो कंपल्सरी AC कित्याक आसपाक जाय बिकॉज ताजो आवाज येना गाडयेचो. सो भायल्यान जसो नॉयज येवपाक लागलो पीपल फील लायक AC म्हणून आमी त्यो AC करून घेतल्या आनी ऑल ओवर इंडिया ऑल इलेक्ट्रीक बसीस आर AC. आमची चार्जिंग स्टेशन आमी मडगांव बसयल्ले आसा आनी वी हॅव चार्ज एंड वी ऑपरेटेड इन एप्रील अरावंड हांव तुमकां सांगता वी ऑपरेटेड अरावंड 56,000 किलोमिटर्स. वी वर ऑपरेटिंग 10 बसीस पर डे ऑन ट्रायल लायक. आनी आतां आमी एक्चुली फ्रॉम सेकेंड आमी चालू करपाचें आशिल्ले फॉर ऑपरेशन म्हणजे फ्रॉम टुडे. But again, this 9 days they have increased the operational this year. So after I think 9th ताणी जर आमकां हें ओपन केलें because what happened, these buses require full capacity of operation. आमी आतां पळय जे ऑपरेट करता न्ही तातूंत भितर इट इज नॉट फिजिबल टू ऑपरेट दीस इलेक्ट्रिकल बसीस ऑल्सो. सो आमकां जर गव्हर्मेंटान फाल्यां जर ओपन केलें यू ऑपरेट विथ फूल कॅपेसिटी दॅन यू कॅन स्टार्ट. बट ऑन द अदर हँड वी आर प्लॅनिंग टू स्टार्ट फॉर कारवार सायडीन आमची 8 शेड्यूल आसा ती चालू करतले आनी ही आमचे शटल सर्वीस इलेक्ट्रीक बसीस. सो मोस्टली दे वील रन ऑन दीस रेग्युलर नॅशनलायज रूट. सो देर वी हॅव गूड पोटेन्शियल
फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट मंथ.
नो फ्रॉम बिफोर 15. महाराष्ट्रात प्रॉब्लेम आसा बट कर्नाटका वी स्टार्टेड हुबळी एंड बेळगांव. कर्नाटका वी आर ऑपरेटिंग 5 बसीस पर डे. आम्ही 3 बसी बेळगांव धाडटा आनी 2 हुबळी धाडटा.
सर गोवान सध्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जाला चार्जिंगाचे मडगांव सोडून
मडगांव आमी 25 बसीसचे केला आनी हांगा जेन्ना आमी 100 बसीस घेतले तांचो हें कितें आसता की 2 बसीक एक चार्जिंग स्टेशन लागता आनी दॅट इज 85 kWh. सो ताका 33 kVA लायनूच लागता. So here there is a provision on our bus stand for 33 kV. Madgaon we have taken special line from the collector office. Taka Punjab we have used that. So it will this charging has started for 10 buses. For we require for 25 buses per day. So 4 hours charging time asta and charging will be done at night time.
आणि किती रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर चार्जिंग स्टेशन?
25 charging stations are at one place. So we have installed 25, पण आमकां तेणी 10चीच आमकां हें दिल्लें कनेक्शन बिकॉज इट वॉज थ्रू 11 kV line. Now we have taken permission for 33 kV. So they are releasing it today or tomorrow. They will release that connection because the power minister has also given us exemption on security deposit, which is to be it was coming to around 1 crore for that charging station. So being Kadamba as a government undertaking, he said that he did not give security deposit. So that was also one of the आमकां they must be beneficial.
This station only for buses and बाकीचे
We can use it, but we can use it for cars. Otherwise, yeah. But now cars you can do on domestic charging. पण फाल्यां सकाळीं समजा आतां प्रायवेट बसी जर आयल्यो इलेक्ट्रीक बसी जाल्यार वी कॅन गिव दॅम लायक महाराष्ट्र बसीज मे कम फाल्यां कर्नाटका KSRTC बसीज इलेक्ट्रिकल इफ दे कम वी कॅन गिव दॅम चार्जिंग ऑन अवर्ली बेसीस. इट विल बी डन. इट विल बी रिसिप्रोकल. वी गिव दॅम दे गिव फॉर अस.
कितले किलोमीटर चलता सर?
नाव आतां आमचे 12 मीटर बसी आसा दे रन अराउंड 250 किलोमिटर्स इन वन चार्ज. 4 hours charging. आणि ताका ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी चार्जिंग आसा दॅट वी आर इन्स्टॉलिंग एट काणकोणा एंड वन एट वास्को. ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी म्हणजे कितें सपोज गाडी जर 230 किलोमिटर चल्ली जाल्यार ती मागीर इट इज कंपल्सरी यू टू सेंड जनरेटर एंड टू चार्जिंग. सो इन सम काणकोणा सायड वी हॅव केप्ट वन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी चार्जिंग ऑन द बस स्टँड. सो इट इज ओनली वन चार्जर. केन्नाय लागलो जाल्यार जस्ट 45 minutes यू कॅन चार्ज एंड इट वील रन अगेन 80 kilometers. With 45 minutes charging.
So the 25 charging station these are not
They are slow and fast chargers. They have both system and they have DC as well as AC charging. So they are placed only at Margaon bus station, this Margaon depot. and here we will be putting around 50. That is for 9-meter vehicles. 9-meter vehicles will be operated from Panji, and they are around 100. Our tendering process is completed. We are waiting for central government to issue us permission to issue LOA. So we are leaving tomorrow.
So far
For
we have only 28.
30 buses are coming.
आनी कितले बसी येवपाचे आहा गोवा
20 बसी आमचे ऑक्टोबरांत येतल्यो. So that is the time. डिसेंबर पर्यंत तांकां डिलिव्हरी टायम आसा. So buses will come in October.
गोवाच्या कदंबा हितून कितले मागलेले बसीस
आम्ही ॲक्च्युली वी हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर 250 बसीस. तांणी आमकां 50-12 मीटर आणि 9 मीटर आमकां दे हॅव गिवन सँक्शन 100 बसीस. सो दीस 9 मीटर बसीस वील बी ऑपरेटिंग 180 किलोमिटर्स पर डे. फक्त तांचो कितें आसा की मिनिमम वॉट एवर एश्युअर्ड किलोमिटर आसा न्ही दॅट वी हॅव टू ऑपरेट. सो पयले ज्यो बसी आसा 50 बसीस 80,000 किलोमिटर्स एन्युअली वी हॅव टू ऑपरेट. वी डोंट ऑपरेट ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू पे दे.
सर ही लॉकडाऊन टाइम कितको लॉस सफर जाला
तुमकां सांगपाचें म्हणजे लॉकडावनात रेवेन्यू इनकम लॉस इज अरावंड 18 lakhs पर डे. रेवेन्यू I said loss is above that. But we were getting average 22 lakhs revenue. Now we get only 6 lakhs. So around 18 lakhs this thing. Again, we have given our honorable chairman has given and government also for 2 months for this rental we have to them. So again, that revenue loss is also there. 2 महिन्याचे आम्ही तांकां हें दिला डिस्काउंटेड हें शॉपां. Now from July we started charging. May and April, this May and June we have given them some discount because there was no footfall, no passengers.
सो बस स्टँड रिवॅम्प करपाक कितें प्लान आसा सगळें न्यू
रिवॅम्प करपाचो प्लॅन आसा पूण पळया रिवॅम्प करतलो जाल्यार एज पर माय दिसतींग यू शूड हॅव सम सेकंडरी सिस्टम फॉर दॅट लायक 2400 डिपार्चर पर डे. सो इतलो व्हडलो बस स्टँड जाय परत नाजाल्यार 2 फेजींनी करचो पडटलो नॉर्थ सायड आनी सावथ सायड ऑर सेंट्रल फोंडा बिंडा ते 2 करचे पडटले बस स्टँड आनी मागीर ताका शटल बसोवची पडटली आनी लोकांक त्रास जातलो. प्लस शॉपकिपर आसा ते रिवॅम्पिंग करतना तांचे पळोवचें पडटलें आनी शेवटी प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू सी. सो रिवॅम्पिंग ऑर एज यू सेड furnishing this bus stand will be more feasible. Structure is good. Structure is good. आणि तसो बस स्टँड सुद्दां बाकीचो बांदलो जाल्यार डिपार्चर्स आनी हें इट वील बी व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट कारण तो बस स्टँडाची एरिया इज लॉन्जिट्यूडनल हें आसता.
ओके सर कमिंग बॅक टू ई बस मेंटेनन्स बी ते कोण पळयतले सर ई बसीचे बी
Maintenance and this capital investment is done by the company, tendering company. Now Oletra is for these 50 buses. Now for second this thing Oletra as well as Ashok Leyland participated and both buses we tried in Goa for 3 days with from here to Poland. म्हणजे ताका घाट सेक्शन रेन वॉटर सगळे हातूंत with 3500 kg वजन घालून we have taken 2 days trial. So both are successful in that. So now we have to see who is the lowest.
लॉस मेकअप कशें करतात इलेक्ट्रीक बसी तुमी वापरून
आता तुमकां एक सांगपाचें म्हणजे की यू शूड नॉट म्हणजे आमी ट्रान्सपोर्ट आतां लॉस मेकींग नाल्यार प्रॉफीट मेकींग असो बिजनेस दिता. जी सायकोलॉजी इन गोवा डेवलप जाली ओन्ली बिकॉज ऑफ प्रायवेट ऑपरेशन. अदरवायज तुमी जर दिल्ली जर पळयलें DTC जाल्यार तांचो लॉस तांचें अर्नींग आसा 40 रुपीज किलोमिटर आणि एक्सपेंडिचर इज अराउंड 275 रुपीज पर किलोमिटर. यू सी द लॉस कारण तांचे ते पगार मागीर मेंटेनन्स आनी ऑपरेशनल किलोमिटर यू कॅनॉट टेक मोर किलोमिटर देर मॅक्झिमम यू गेट 120 किलोमिटर्स पर डे. आतां नाव वी ट्राय फॉर 200. महाराष्ट्र आणि कर्नाटकात कितें जाता देर एरिया इज लार्ज सो दे गेट यू गेट अराउंड 250 to 280 किलोमिटर एवरेज पर बस. सो थंय कितें आसा कॉस्ट कमी आसा तरी पूण आंध्र प्रदेश पळय जे आसा न्ही आंध्र प्रदेश वॉज द फर्स्ट अँड बेस्ट ऑपरेटिंग मॉडेल इन STU. But they had around 7,000 accumulated crores accumulated loss, and now they have made it converted it to department now. Orissa, then Madhya Pradesh, they have stopped operation of STU. So we should not take this transport as a profit-making business. It is for the service, last mile service, public घेवपाक वचपाक. Because you can, if you charge more, if you increase the fare, then personal transport increase. आम्ही जर गाडी आता बाहेर तुमकां सांगता ब्रुसेल नाल्यार एम्स्टरडम आणि लक्झमबर्ग ह्या कंट्रीजांनी दे आर मोस्ट डेव्हलप कंट्रीज दे आर गिविंग फ्री सर्विसेस मेट्रो अँड buses. They have started from April 20, free travel. Because they say that personal transport should be reduced to drastically reduced. That is the aim of it.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah, please.